Hello ACE instructors, my name is Dr. Robert Clark. I'm an assistant professor of criminal justice and social sciences here at Pennsylvania Highlands Community College, and I'm the ACE faculty liaison for social sciences. I specifically work with instructors teaching sociology and psychology. Today I will talk about the term paper and final exam common assessments through MySocLab and MyPsychLab for both Introduction to Sociology, Soc 100, and General Psychology, Psych 100. To familiarize yourself with the course materials and to follow along, please download the syllabus, term paper, and annotated bibliography rubrics from the course you are teaching. Course material can be found by logging into myPEAK on the Pennsylvania Highlands Community College portal. Once logged in, please click on the ACE tab located at the top center section of the web page. Then, look on the left-hand side of the web page and click on the Social Sciences folder. After opening this folder, look again on the left-hand side of the web page and click on either PSY 100, General Psychology, or Soc 100, Introduction to Sociology, whichever one you are teaching. After clicking on your course, look on the right-hand side of the page for an introductory video for your course, syllabus, term paper, and bibliography information. Each course, Introduction to Sociology and General Psychology, requires a term paper as one of the general assessment pieces. Rubrics and term paper information are found on each course link on myPEAK. The paper for Introduction to Sociology is to be 10 to 12 pages long, while the term paper for General Psychology is to be 10 to 15 pages. Term papers are due at the conclusion of the course, whether that course ends in December or in May. In addition, it is a requirement to submit copies of term papers to me via email at rclark@pennhighlands.edu or regular mail at our address 101 Community College Way, Johnstown, Pennsylvania 15904. Typically, these are turned in within 1 week of the conclusion of class. Instructors should submit copies of 3 papers: the best, an A or B grade student paper, an average, B or C student paper, and worst, D or F grade student paper. Student paper should have the names whited out prior to submission. As per the syllabus and rubric for each course, please make sure your students are using proper APA-style formatting. It is recommended that you introduce your students to APA-style formatting via the Purdue Online Writing Lab or APA-style website. The final part of the assessment piece for both sociology and psychology is the use of MySocLab and MyPsychLab through Pearson Higher Education. You must log into the site connected to your course. To gauge consistency in course content and testing measures, all instructors of Soc 100 and Psych 100 are required to use the quizzes, if assigned, and the final exams found on MySocLab and MyPsychLab. Instructors in each course are then required to submit the results, percentages of A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's of each class's final exam scores to me, again within a week after the conclusion of your respective courses. If you have any questions about assessment materials and outcomes for either the sociology or psychology course, please contact me, Dr. Robert Clark, at 814-262-6409 or by email, again at rclark@pennhighlands.edu. Thank you for teaching in the ACE program for Pennsylvania Highlands Community College.